So far, everything we've done's been good if you want to make a video or something like that or make a story, but programs are more fun if they're interactive. So let's make it where we can actually control the cat. Let's start with that. So I'm going to go down to events, start with my green flag, always where we start. All right. And we talked about how we can make it move by putting a move block in here. So maybe move 10 steps. So when I click the green flag, he moves 10 steps. All right. Not super exciting. And I have to restart the program every time I want him to move. So not the best way. And we can, of course, click the cat and drag it, but that's not very interactive because the program is stopped when that's going on. So it'd be good if we use the arrow keys and move the cat along. So let's see if we can make that happen. Now I'm going to go to events and add a win space key pressed. Now I don't really want to use the space bar. I want to use the arrow key. So I'm going to start with the left arrow. And I'm kind of doing this on purpose to see if you fall for something. So I want the cat to move 10 steps to the left when I hit the left arrow key. So I'm going to go to motion. And I can't just say move 10 steps because that's the way the cat's pointing. I want the cat to go left. So I'm thinking math coordinates, x and y, x this way horizontally, y vertically. I want to move in the x direction. So I'm going to come down and find change x by, and we'll say 10. All right. So I don't really want the cat to start moving as soon as I click the green flag at this point. So I'm actually going to take that off. This is okay to leave this blank. The green flag starts the program. And then once I hit the left arrows, when something else is going to happen. So I'm going to hit the green flag. And we're expecting the cat to move left when I hit the left arrow. All right, I'm hitting the left arrow, I promise. The cat's moving to the right. I really like that. So that's why I kind of wanted to try the left arrow first, see if y'all caught this. The X direction, remember left is negative X values, to the right's positive X values. And if I move the cat, look down here. Your X coordinates are negative once you're left to the middle of the screen. So I want to actually move the cat in a negative X direction when I hit the arrow key. So I'm going to hit play to restart everything. Now when I hit the left arrow key, the cat moves to the left. All right, I'm going to repeat this. So I'm going to go to events, and I'm going to do it for the different arrow keys. So for the right arrow, now what I can do is right click on this block and duplicate because I just want to change the X direction. But I do want to go positive 10 this time. All right. And I can actually duplicate that whole block a couple of times. Let's do the up arrow. We haven't done that yet. But I don't want to change the X when I do up. I want to change the Y. So I'm going to throw that block away, go back to motion, come down till I find change Y. Here we go. And up would be positive, so that sounds good. If I go down, I would like to move in the negative Y direction. So I'm going to duplicate this Y block, but I'm going to put negative 10 here. All right, hit the green flag to get started. And now when I hit the arrow keys, the cat moves where I want. All right, it's not very smooth. This is a good start, but it's not very smooth. And if I hold down on the left key, there's like this lag. Any key I hold down on, the cat moves and there's a lag and then it kind of starts going that direction. So if you were playing a game and you know a lag makes it really tricky to play. So it'd be nice to make this a lot smoother. So the next piece we'll pick up here will make this a lot smoother.